Welcome to the Cooking Journal. I know y'all see, man, I got a big one to do today. Today we're going to do some fried lobster tails, and we're also going to do some ranch and cheese potatoes. Now, that is a good time combination. You probably never heard of fried lobster tails, but that much. But come let me show you how you do them. Now, you're going to need you some lobster tails, as usual, but we're going to fry these here in a fish fry, but we're going to boil them first off in a shrimp and crab ball. Now, you're going to need a lemon, and you're going to need some buttermilk. That's what we're going to make our batter with this here. Now, for your potatoes, you're going to need some potatoes, you're going to need some bacon, some mozzarella jack cheese, an onion. You're also going to need some ranch dressing, salt, pepper, and then my little secret. I ain't gonna show you how to do this here because this is mine. See, look how big that sucker is. Hey, that's the Cooking Journal. Woo, man, it's gonna be good. Put my man ranch and cheese potatoes with fried lobster tails. They like, can you cook that? I can cook a rat's ass so fast you'll pass gas and still have a blast. You better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Man, we got to move on this hill one because this is doing 2 in 1. Check it out here. Now, you want to get you some onions and a little vegetable oil off in your pan. And get your onions going. Okay, now, I got my lobster tail over here going in this crawfish ball. I put about 15% of the package off in here with my lobster tail. So I got that going. Now, you want to take your potatoes, and we're going to put our potatoes down. We're going to try to get these here brown, crisp, and pretty as I don't know what. Put them in that skillet. I'm going to have to make 2 runs of this here because I'm making a whole big pan. Put a few more in there. Now, you got that done. You want to sprinkle a little black pepper on there. About right there. Now, you want to shake a little salt. Not much. On the high blood pressure. Now, that's it. Now, we got the lobster going. We got the potatoes frying. Now, when we get through with this here, we're going to take our potatoes out of the skillet. We're going to drain them on the grease. Then we're going to mix our ranch dressing, our cheese, and then we also got our bacon brown in the oven for our potatoes. Let's put this back in there. Boy, it's probably the most exciting episode y'all ever seen because I'm doing too much things at one time. I don't know. You better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Now, let's go ahead and get this steel stuff sold up. Now, we got a lobster ball. Now, I got my lobster tails here. I got them cut in half. Now, I took some lemon juice with that fish fry, put that in there, add some buttermilk, and that's what I made my batter with. Buttermilk and lemon juice. Then you want to take them there. You want to dip them off in your batter. Now, I got my vegetable all over here getting ready. Oh, man, you talking about going to be good. Let's get this ready here. Now, they coat it real good. Now, I'm gonna just drop them off in there like that. You fry them just like you do shrimp. Man, this is going good. Going good. Look at that. Now, over here, we're gonna get our potatoes. Now, I drain them of the grease. See there? Got them all fried up. Now, what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and start adding in your ranch dressing. Now, put your ranch dressing in there. A decent amount. About right there. Now, let that stir it in. Now, when you got the ranch dressing in there, what you also want to do, you want to add your bacon. I got it already crumbled up, ready to go in there. Now, got that out the way. Now, you also want to add your shredded cheese. Okay, when y'all come back, because the Cooking Journal is finna do it one more time. It's out there, man. Ask somebody, come on now. I can't do no joking. This on. Let's go. Cooking Journal, we finally finished. Now the part I've been waiting for. Look at here. These cheese and ranch potatoes, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how it stretched. Look at that. Man, you talking about a good ranch flavor, good cheese. Now, Your lobster tails are fried to a crisp. Now, you can go ahead and melt you some butter and put some garlic powder to dip them in if you want to, or you can use red sauce, anything you want to. But you got your bacon, your cheese, everything right here, and the ranch dressing all in there. And I done all this here meal, this whole meal right here. It was under $30. Now y'all like cooking jelly, you cheap. No, I'm not cheap. If I want to pay some money for a meal, I can pay money for a meal. I got money. Ask somebody.